So I'm here in the middle of the jungle, well, just a little bit. It's a little path that leads from the lodge. So I just decided that I'd walk down it and just see how things were. I'm not meeting the guide until 2:30, so I have like 50 minutes to kill. Actually, let me show you the forest. It's so cool. This is so cool. Although I have to admit that, here, nice shot of my finger, I know. I have to admit that I'm a little uneasy in the sense of not wanting to bump into spiders. Like, I went through a spider web, and I don't want it to be kind of like the killer spider. I'm ready for a big, gigantic ant to walk across. I've read before that when you're in the Amazon that you shouldn't touch any tree. Like, you shouldn't touch anything that you think's a piece of wood, because it might be a snake. And I think if I saw a snake, I'd freak completely. It's humid, yeah, but it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. I mean, I have a long sleeve shirt on, and I'm surviving so far. Let me show you a little bit more, and listen. Whoa. Okay, let's walk a little bit. Although I'm going to be paying more attention to, you see that little bug? I'm going to pay more attention to, like, not stepping on anything that's going to bite me. I mean, like, I feel like I should be in a movie. It reminds me ever so slightly of Pisgah in August with P. Wild. Okay, well, I'm probably going to Canopy Walkway with my guide this afternoon, so I'll take pictures there. That should be pretty cool. Later.